Hi folks, Jem here. Welcome back to my creative space. Now in my last few videos we've been looking at really junk journaling from the beginning. So I showed you how to make a couple of different journal covers, and then we looked at masterboards and what to do with them, how to cut them up and to make them into tags and pockets and things like that. But now that's all very well, and I know that that's great, but sometimes it's really hard to visualize. When you're starting out, it's hard to visualize how to bring all that together into a journal. So I've now more or less finished this journal, and I thought I'd give you a little flip through just to give you some ideas about how you might put your journal together. So now what I'm going to show you is just my style and my take on things. Or one of my styles actually, because I think I have a number. But anyway, there's no right or wrong when it comes to junk journaling. It's really about what you would like to do, what appeals to you, or what appeals to the person that you're making the journal for. So I'm not saying this is the right way. I'm saying, hey, this is what I've done. Have a look through, see if it gives you some ideas. Hopefully you'll like what you see. If there's any questions you have or comments you'd like to leave, please do so down below. I'd love to hear from you. But for now, I'll stop talking and I'll show you what I've been doing. Okay, well there you go folks, thank you for watching. Hopefully that's given you a few ideas. You can go back, pause the video, have a look. If there's anything that you see and you can't figure out how I've made it and you want to know, feel free to ask. If there's anything you'd like to show me in another video, let me know. My next video is going to be making a different journal cover, this time with an aperture, a window in it. So stay tuned in the next few days, that'll be coming up. But for now, thank you for your time everybody. I hope you found this useful. Ka kite anō.